Here I've got XIAOMI Mi Mix Free, and let me show you how to enable and use test mode on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings. Now click on About Phone, scroll down a bit and select kernel version. Just keep tapping on it for about 5 or 7 times. And now we are in test menu. As you can see, you can perform various of very important and useful tests in this mode. So for example, you can test your fingerprint sensor, your front camera, back camera, OTG connection, light sensor, also the Wi-Fi scan, Wi-Fi address, Bluetooth. You can also get Bluetooth address. You can check mic options, speaker, receiver, display, touch sensor, vibration, keyboard test, and all the other very important and very useful tests. So let me pick, for example, keyboard test. And as you can see, current keyboards power, volume up, volume down. So let me click on them. And they all passed, so they are working correctly. Select the vibration mode, so it passed. It's this one, pass. And now you can also check the black light. Then battery light white, and it's all working. So let me go back. As you can see, here is the solution. Maybe let's also check the speaker.
8, 4, 8, 4.
So it passed the test. So let's make a noise on the mic after you plug in the headset. Listen to the headset for a sound, but we will not do it now. So let me go back. Also, you can check the light, the slider hole, OTG, charger, and the camera, all the others. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to perform those tests, but it's very useful once you have doubts if it's the application that is not working correctly or your phone. So that's it. This is how you can enable this mode. You can confirm that you would like to exit it because all related text data will be erased. Tap on OK, and now you can start using your device as usually. So that's it. Now you can test your device whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.